meal with this. Now, not only is this a product that can help you to gain weight, but you can lose weight with it too, but you will have to use it as a meal replacement. So for everybody that knows somebody that want to get thick, the Chewy is definitely the way to go, but make sure you're eating a full course meal with it. I have my friend, actually her name is Justice. She used these, she used the she used the Chewy, she used the Matrix, and she was able to gain 9 pounds within a week. So I know a lot of people that want to gain weight, it's kind of hard for them to do so. So the fact that she was able to gain 9 pounds in a week, you know these products right here is going to help you get thickiana, okay? Now, the next one I want to talk to y'all about is Matrix. Matrix is our protein powder. If you want to gain weight, again, you're going to make this shake. You're going to add you some fruits in it. You're going to blend it up. And you're going to drink it in the morning with breakfast, okay? But you can also take it as a meal replacement and just drink it without, breakfast. But if you're trying to gain weight, I like to say this is our Get Thick Kit. And, of course, the girls want to make sure they have their NutriBurst. Or even the guys, men can use this too. Now, the next product I have to tell y'all about. Now, I done told y'all about the NutriBurst. You have to make sure your body is getting the nutrients it needs, especially at a time like this. But you need your chaga too, right? Chaga is going to boost your immune system. So what I do, I take the capsule, I boil me some water, I open the capsule up, I add it to some boiled water, I add some honey, and I sip it. And I make it like espresso shots for all of the house. Now, I'm not about to make no claims or nothing, but these products right here is very, very important at a time like this with what's going on. Everybody needs a strong immune system, okay? And I actually know some people who was able to protect themselves from what's going on with these products, with the chaga specifically. And the next product, ooh, yes. All the girls that want a slim waist, a snatch waist, this is our Alleviate Cream. But it's also our CBD-infused topical pain reliever. Now, a lot of people may know their grandparents or their parents that suffer from some type of, joint pain or aches or body aches, right? They will take our CBD-infused topical pain reliever, rub it on the area, and the pain will be alleviated. But now, I know we want a slim waist. And I know millennials don't really suffer from bodily pains and all that stuff like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to put this on my waist. Because I know it has like an icy hot type of vibe. And I know that if I put this on, it's gonna, it's gonna make my stomach get hot. And it might make me sweat. So I put it on one day with my waist trainer. And kid you not, when I came back home, my stomach was soaking wet. And my mom always said a joke that sweat is the fat crying, right? So I used my Alleviate Cream and I went from a medium waist trainer and I'm now in an extra, extra small waist trainer. So I would have to give all kudos to our Alleviate Cream, which alleviates the pain and it alleviates the waist. And the next product, okay? Now, I told y'all I suffer from anxiety. This right here is our Harmony Drops, is our CBD tinctures. It is meant to put the body in a state of harmony, okay? You're going to take it, you're going to put a few drops under your tongue, let it sit for 30 seconds, and you're going to swallow, okay? And you're going to notice that your body's in a state of harmony. For people that suffer from depression, anxiety, insomnia, this product right here is most definitely the way to go. And I think that's it. Oh, no. The lipo in the bottle. How many of y'all know somebody that went and laid on the table and couldn't maintain their surgery, right? So we got these products that's going to help them, get their shape together. But we like to call our resolution drops the lipo in the bottle. It's a fast, healthy way for you to lose weight. So with these drops, y'all always ask, how can I take it? Here is the meal plan. The best way to take the products is to follow the meal plan that the company has made for you. But this is our resolution drops. And I use these drops for about 2 weeks and I was able to lose 10 pounds. Now, it's not easy for me to lose weight. So the fact that I lost 10 pounds on these drops is amazing. But this is a fast, healthy way for you to lose weight. But you must follow the meal plan. Now, I done went over the products. I done told y'all so much about the products, but I know the whole point of this is to tell y'all how y'all can make money from your phone, right? But listen, if you don't have nothing to sell and you don't have products that are good and sell themselves, you can't sell nothing, right? Well, what do you have to sell? So I told y'all about the products, but now I want to tell y'all how y'all could get some money. I hope everybody can see the board. Let me move out the way. Now I want to tell y'all how y'all can make some money. Now remember, in the beginning, when I first started, I told y'all I was confused. Why? Because I wasn't following the blueprint, I wasn't aligned, and I was making something that is so simple, I was making it so complicated, y'all. And remember, a confused mind does nothing. So I'm just going to tell y'all, we get paid 5 ways in this company, right? We get paid 5 ways, but I'm only going to tell y'all about the first 2 because you don't need to know too much. You just need to know right now what I got to do, how can I make some right now money because we quarantined. I got to make sure my family is good, right? And I got to make sure when I come out of this, I'm good. I want to quarantine and build. I don't want to quarantine and chill. So we get paid 5 ways in this company. But the first 2 ways we get paid is retail and Fast Start. Now, I told y'all I had an online boutique, right? I know a lot of y'all know people that got boutiques, that sell hair, all of that, right? So I know how to flip. Retail is all about selling products. I know how to get products moving, right? So because I have my online boutique, I took that same mentality of getting stuff wholesale, selling it for retail, or I took that same mentality of selling products into this. So retail is all about selling products. Now, I like to break retail down into 2 ways. We could get paid on hand and we could get paid online. So sorry. Right now, you're supposed to be quarantining, so nobody should be stepping out of their house anyways, right? So the first way we get paid through retail is $20 per product we sell online. We make $20 per product we sell online, y'all, and there is no shipping from us required. Now, when I had my online boutique, the worst part about it was the shipping. Somebody would just order something, and 5 seconds later, where's my tracking number? Where's my order? I need my order. I'm like, dang, you just ordered, right? But over here, we don't have to do any of that, right? The company's going to ship the products out for us. We have customer service that handle all those people that be wanting their tracking numbers. We don't have to do any of that, but we're making $20 per product we sell online. Now, I told y'all, you have to be a product of the product. You got to look like what you're selling. But not only when you look like what you're selling, you're getting your transformation. Isn't the goal to tell people about it? You want to call everybody you know, tell them what's good with the product, what it did for you. You want to post on your social media pages, tell people what it did for you. But when you join the business, you're going to get a website, and they're able to order from your site. Now, I know that with retail, you have to set goals. So right here, y'all see this thing right here where it says enjoy the little things? This is what it is to y'all. But to me, it's my goals, right? It's my retail goals. I know how much money I want to make a day. I know how much I need to make a week. But in order to do that, retail-wise, I got to set goals. And I got to know, okay, how many products, I'm about to move. So, for example, let's say you want to make $100 a week or $100 a day. You know that you have to sell 5 products. Why? Because you're getting $20 per product sold online. Okay, I want to make $200. Make sure you sell 10 products via online. I want to make $500. Make sure you sell 25 products. Why? Because 25 times 20 is 500, right? Now, let's say you want to make you $1,000 a week. I don't know. Make sure you sell 50 products. So retailing is all about getting these amazing products that are amazing, that everybody need, that works, is to get those products sold. So the more products you sell, guess what? Cha-ching, ching, ching, them 20 is going to add up, right? So now the second way we get paid in the business is called Fast Start. I told y'all when we first got on here, invite people on the line. You don't want to hear about an opportunity, how you can make money from home, when there's so many people right now that need to be making money from home. You don't want to leave it for yourself, right? So let's say those people you invited on the call, they want to join your team. Now, Fast Start, I would say, is when people want to get money with you. Now, when people join your team, they have to get a $50 starter kit. That $50 starter kit is going to come with that website I told y'all about. That's going to get people to be able to buy your products, right? So they're getting that website, they're getting some samples, and they're getting some marketing tools. But you make $0 from that starter kit, but you're going to get paid, again, just like retail, $20 per product somebody joins your business with. So let's say, I see you keep posting some NutriBurst. I want this NutriBurst and that chaga. Now, I'm scared for my life right now. I'm scared for what's going on. I want to make it out. I want my chaga. I want my chaga. I want to boost my immune system, and I want my NutriBurst. So, and I also want to make money from home. So I done joined your team with 2 products. You done made $40. Why? Because you're getting $20 per product somebody join your business with. Now, let's say you got somebody else. They want to make some money. They want to start small. They just get in with the NutriBurst. That's $20 you just got from them joining your team. But I want some tea, because I want to clean my body out during this quarantine. I want my NutriBurst, and I want my chaga. I just got in with 3 products. I joined your team. You just made $60 from my sign up. So if y'all get how this goes, you're literally making $20 per product somebody buy from you online, and you're also making $20 per product somebody join your business with. So let me tell y'all, those people that like to make stuff that sounds so simple complicated, because I was one of them, it's as simple as it sounds. The more products you sell, the more money you gonna make. The more products you sell, the more 20s you gonna get, and those 20s add up, right? So this is it. Sell your products. Get your products moving. Now, there's 3 other ways we could get paid, but I don't want to get into all of that. Maybe the other leaders will do so, but I'm telling y'all, I'm speaking to the millennials. I'm speaking to the people that complicate the most simplest things, y'all. This is the first thing you want to do. You want to use your products, right? You want to set up your website, right? You want to get your transformation. You want to tell everybody about it. And you want to start selling your products. And also, you want to call your family, call your friends. You want them to get money with you, too. Get your 2 people to join your team and make $20 per product they join your business with. But I also want to tell y'all this. There's a such thing. We have daily pay over here. And we pay you out on the weekends. So if you sell, let's say you made you $100 a day. You just sold you 5 products. You made your $100 a day. Guess what? You're getting your $100 tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Who do that? Besides Uber, who's doing that? Who's paying out daily? So you're able to literally hustle these products and make money every single day, y'all. So I actually have someone by the name of Shantae. She's on my team. I want her to come on here and actually, tell her story, because it's one thing for y'all to hear what the products did for me, how I'm 20 years old and I had my biggest week from the crib, from my phone. But it's another thing to hear, dang, another millennial did it too. And I can relate to her because I'm a mama. Oh my God, I remember I was sleeping on my auntie couch, or I'm on my auntie or my cousin couch right now, and I want a way out. What can I do, Manaya? But I can't speak to y'all, right? It takes somebody that's in your position, that was once in your position, to speak to you. So I want to add her to the call, and I want her to tell her story really, really quick. Where is Miss Girl at? Shantae, where you at, girl? Okay, we might have to keep it moving. It's one thing my mama always taught me to do. Keep it moving. Okay, well, she's not in the request. Oh, there she go. Hey! Come on, Tay. One thing about us, we know transparency is key, so we're going to keep it real. Tay, where you at, girl? Oh, she must got a Metro. The Metro not working. I'm just kidding. Tay is eating. Tay done made her $1,000 check. Don't play with her. Come on, Tay. Okay, we're going to try this one more time. And then I'm going to do what my mama said. Kim, keep it moving.